Wales has its own law-making history which goes back beyond the days of Hywel Dda, a 10th century Welsh king who arranged the laws of Wales. Wales came under English rule in 1282 and later became a member of the United Kingdom. More recently, public votes, called a referendum, were held to decide if decisions over certain issues should be made in Wales for Wales, a process which is called devolution. Wales said yes in 1997, and in 1999 the National Assembly for Wales was born. Back then, the Assembly had very limited powers to make laws, but in another referendum in 2011, the people of Wales voted for more law-making powers. On the 6th of May 2020, a law came into force which changed the name of the National Assembly for Wales to the Welsh Parliament, commonly known as the Senedd, to reflect how its role has grown. Now, the Senedd can agree Welsh taxes, make laws on lots of things that affect our day-to-day lives, like hospitals, schools, transport, farming and the environment. The law also lowered the voting age for Senedd elections. This means that 16 and 17-year-olds can now have a say over who represents them. In June 2024, a new law was passed, bringing about big changes to the Senedd. The changes include a new voting system to elect 96 members instead of 60, who will represent 16 Welsh constituencies. The law also means that anyone standing as a candidate at a Senedd election must live in Wales, and that elections will be held every 4 years. This law was introduced because the Sennedd's responsibilities have increased a lot since it was created in 1999. It can now make laws and raise taxes in Wales, decisions which affect the lives of every single person who lives here. This law aims to make the Senedd better at studying and challenging the Welsh Government's plans and spending on important topics like hospitals, education and transport. It will also improve representation for you and your community. Having 96 members will also bring the Senedd in line with other countries of a similar size to Wales, like Scotland, which has 129 members, and Northern Ireland, which has 90.